Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best wax warmer that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lifestance Wax Warmer Hair Removal Kit. Lifestance Wax Warmer Hair Removal Kit is an ideal for women and men. It is also suitable for home and self-waxing. If you have a waxing spa salon, this wax warmer can be used. It is ideal for bikini, back, legs, face, arms, and it is widely applied in Brazilian waxing. Due to its broad application and trust, it is FDA approved. When you buy it, you get a 1-year warranty and a 100% money-back guarantee. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Yilin Hair Removal Hot Wax Warmer Waxing Kit. With its 4 flavors, the Yeelen Hair Removal Hot Wax Warmer Waxing Kit also helps in solving some problems like dandruff, acne and skin irritations. It is also suitable for all skin types, thus ideal for all people. It can heat all kind of wax, therefore ideal for a broad application. The different flavors that it comes with include lavender, chamomile, and chocolate. At number 3, we have the Bouvetan Waxing Hair Removal Kit. The Bouvetan Waxing Hair Removal Kit comes with a temperature range of 160–240, which is suitable for different heating types of wax. When buying it, it will come with 10 wax applicator sticks and 4 flavors hard wax beans that you can use. It also has an auto shut-off mechanism that helps you in maintaining an ideal wax temperature. It is right in removing any stubborn coarse hair that you need to get rid of without irritation. At number 2, we have the AsaVea Wax Warmer and Hair Removal Waxing Kit. AsaVea Wax Warmer and Hair Removal Waxing Kit come with a 100% money-back guarantee, thus making it suitable for testing. It comes in 2 flavors, and it can be applied to different places like the bikini, face, lips, chin and even cheeks. The good thing with AsaVea Wax Warmer and Hair Removal Waxing Kit, it provides a painless hair removal process. Due to its gentle nature, you can use it every day without much irritation. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lansley Wax Warmer. Lansley Wax Warmer is made with a unique design with a 1 bikini wax that helps in reducing the risk of irritation that can be caused by other types of waxes. It is also made from quality chemicals that are toxic-free. The natural resin in it has bikini wax that will help in exfoliating the stubborn hair that is coarse and removes it from the root. That will leave the bikini area smooth, silky without irritation and redness. The good thing with Lansley Wax Warmer, it takes 10 to 15 minutes to attain the maximum temperature. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.